Hi, how are you? Really pertinent question right now as we start to reopen a lot of the non-essential shops in England, and we look forward to that at some stage in Scotland and Wales. When you're looking to build your own side hustle, when you're looking to create alternative and additional lines of income, people will always say to you, you've got to be online. And it's true. There are something like 400 million websites across the world. There are something like 2 billion users every month of Facebook and YouTube. And similarly massive numbers for Twitter and for Instagram and other social media sites. So if you're online, then you are in a position where you can reach out and communicate and possibly sell your product, your services, whatever it is you're looking to sell. You can look to sell those across the world to all of those regular internet users. But the problem is, the problem for me when I started off was people say this to you, but actually, apart from establishing a Facebook account, apart from opening a Twitter account, how do I actually do it? What does it actually mean? How do I build a website? And the purpose of this week's webinar is to try to unpack a whole load of those questions so that you can understand what it takes to get yourself online, to build a website, how little training you actually need to be able to do it yourself, or whether you should look to outsource that, and how you can do that in the cheapest possible way, getting the most bang for your buck. What social media accounts you might want to be on. Do you need to be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn and all of the others? Because that can take an awful lot of your time, and you can end up doing social media at the expense of actually building your service or product. And so we want to look at all of those questions, and we want to help you to understand how you can get yourself online in the most effective way to suit whatever it is that you're looking to do, and when you need help, to point you in the direction of some of the places you can go to for help that will help you get going as quickly and most cost effectively as possible. So we look forward to you joining us on Wednesday. We look forward to seeing you there. Until then, keep safe. All the best.